In this video clip I'm going to show you how to open up SketchUp, and then I'm going to show you how to customize the toolbars that you will need, as well as use the custom templates that will help you create the drawings that you need, the CAD drawings, in order for you to create 3D models. So the first thing I need to do is go and find which version of SketchUp I will be using. So some of you will be using the free version that is found under the My Applications. Some of you may be using SketchUp, which is already on your desktop of the computer, meaning that it is the standalone version. And some of you will also be able to have access to the SketchUp Pro version. In this tutorial, it's really not going to matter which of these versions that you use, as long as you are able to open SketchUp. So I'm going to simply look for the version that's the Pro version. That's what I'm going to use, Google SketchUp 8, so I would need to simply double click on that. Those of you that are looking for the My Applications version will need to go into your Start menu, and then you will need to go to All Programs and look for the My Applications folder. Once you've found the My Applications folder, click and open it, and you will then see all of the virtualized versions of software that the county has placed onto their servers. So you will see Google SketchUp 8. So you can click on that once, and then the program will load. So like I said before, I'm going to open up the version that I have on my desktop, which is currently a standalone version of SketchUp Pro, as you can tell from the top. This is basically what you get the first time you open up SketchUp. You get one Getting Started toolbar at the top of the screen, and that is it. So what I want to do is I want to customize the toolbars, like I said previously, and in order for me to do that, I need to go up to the View option and then go to Toolbars, and this is where I get a long list of toolbars that can be added to the top or to the left hand side of the screen in order to make things a lot easier than me digging through the drop down menus at the top. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find Views, and this is going to help us set things up in orthographic or an isometric view. So for example, if I wanted to click on ISO, top view, the front view, right side view, back side view, left side view. So I'm going to go back to ISO. Alright. Now, there are other toolbars that I need to add at this time, and it's basically just a large tool set. So I'm going to go into View, Toolbars, Large Tool Set. Okay, so I have a large tool set, and I have the Getting Started tool set. And some of these overlap as well as what you see right here. So you will see there's the pencil tool, there's another pencil tool, but that's okay. The main things you're getting from the toolbar right here is the dimensioning tool, the axis tool, and that's about it, besides the follow me and the push pull. The push pull is duplicated once again. So there is everything, and at this current time, let's see what template we are working in, and the way we can do that is to simply just use the tape measure, and you will see that we are looking at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says length, and it looks like we're in architectural feet and inches. So for this modeling tutorial, we are not going to be using that, so we want to convert this into a different template. Okay, and some of you, when you open SketchUp, you might have been prompted with a template window, and at that time you could have selected the metric template. And if you didn't, that's okay. We're going to do that right now. So we're going to go up to Window, and we're going to go to Preferences, and from there, let's drag this down so it's in our view. You're going to need to click on Template. So mine's already selected, but maybe you might be up at Applications. So click Template, and as you can tell, I'm currently in the Architectural Design feet and inches. So for 3D modeling, it's best to use the Architectural Design millimeters, okay? Or you can use any of the other ones, and you can scroll through if you wish to do so. So like I said, I'm going to keep it on Simple Template meters. Actually, let's go to the millimeters. This is even better, more precise. So hit OK once you're satisfied. Nothing has changed yet, so as you can tell, nothing has changed here in the window until we open up a new window. So go to File, New, and now let's try that again. Take our tape measure, click anywhere, drag a line out, or a distance I should say, and you notice at the bottom right corner of the screen we are now measuring in millimeters. So in this video clip, you were able to set up the toolbars, you were able to obviously open up SketchUp, and you were able to then customize the template which you will be working on which basically means you are going to be able to use different types of units of measurement, whether it be the customary system, inches and feet, or into the metric system, millimeters, and all the way up to meters if you wish to do so.